Hi, we know that India's economy is from agriculture and farmer is the backbone for this agriculture. Now, the problem that is faced by the farmer is the water problem. That means either the water is exceeding the required level or it is less than the required level, so that the good yield from the agriculture is not getting. So, in order to eliminate this problem, we came forward with a project that is microcontroller based irrigation system. In this, the worst thing is that the microcontroller controls the water level of this agriculture land. That means a humidity sensor is placed inside the soil, and based on the humidity sensor, the microcontroller takes the input, and from that it drives the motor. That means either it is off or on. The components required for this project are humidity sensor, LCD display, microcontroller, driver circuit with a motor, regulator, power supply. The need for power supply is to give supply to the devices, and this is the humidity sensor, and it is a transducer that converts humidity levels into voltage levels. The microcontroller is 89S52 manufactured by Atmel Corporation. This is the 2x16 LCD display. This is a driver circuit. Our microcontroller will operate at 5 volts DC supply, and 40th pin is the VCC, 20th pin is the ground. So that we use this 7805 IC regulator because this provides a constant voltage of 5 volts positive, and it is the input terminals are connected to the power supply and output terminals are connected to the microcontroller power supply. And this is the oscillator required to generate the clock signal for this microcontroller. This microcontroller is having 4 ports. They are port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. Here we use port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. Port 1 is for input, port 0 and port 2 are for output. The port 0 is given to the display circuit, and these are the pins for display. Port 2 is given for the driver circuit in order to drive the motor. Into the input, port 1 acts as the input port. The input is from the humidity sensor, and the humidity sensor is containing 5 pins. The third pin is the VCC, fourth pin is the output, and the fifth pin is ground. The VCC is connected from the batteries, and this fourth pin, that means the output pin, is connected to the port 1 as input to the microcontroller, and the fifth pin is grounded. Regulator we use here is 7805 regulator, and this provides a positive voltage of plus 5 volts DC, and its output terminals are given to the 40th pin and 20th pin of the microcontroller as VCC and ground. Next, the output port is port 2, and this is for driver circuit. The driver circuit is a 16-pin IC, and its number is L293D. The first pin of this L293D is enable pin, second pin is input, and third pin is given to the motor positive terminal, and 8th pin is given to the battery, and 4, 5, 12, 13 pins are grounded commonly. This is the LCD display for displaying water level as well as the name of this project and so on. Now coming to the operation, whenever the humidity value of this humidity sensor is above the predefined value, then the humidity sensor sends a signal to the microcontroller, and microcontroller acts for the signal, and it makes the driver circuit to turn off. That means the input from 21st pin becomes 0, so that the driver circuit can be put off. Whenever the humidity level of the soil is less than the value that is predefined in this humidity sensor, the humidity sensor sends another signal to this microcontroller, and based on the signal, the microcontroller sends enable or high signal to the pin 2 of this driver circuit, so that whenever the pin 2 of this driver circuit is high, the third and 8th pins of this driver circuit are short circuited. That means the battery supply is connected to the motor circuit, and the motor gets on, and the water is pumped into the field. Connecting the batteries to the terminals. Initially, we get the project name, that is microcontroller based irrigation system. So that initially the humidity level is low, so that it is displaying low water level. Whenever there is low water level, the motor has to be turned on in order to pump the water into the field. This is the reset button. Whenever we press this reset button, it comes to the initial condition. So if the humidity is more, that means since the humidity level exceeds the predefined value, the microcontroller receives a signal from this humidity sensor and it drives the driver circuit by sending a 0 signal to the pin 2 so that the motor gets off. This project is mainly helpful for commercial crops because the water level has to be maintained certainly for commercial crops. The complexity of this circuit is also not very high and it can be easily maintained. Even the cost of this project is also very less. So it is very much helpful for the farmers.